Some birds don't just fly pretty, they carry an aura of pure danger. Let's count down the top 5. Number 5, great horned owl. Silent wings, piercing yellow eyes, and talons that crush like steel. Aura, the ghost of the night. Number 4, vulture. Circles above with patience, aura of death itself. Nature's cleanup crew, but terrifying. Number 3, red-tailed hawk. Its scream is the sound Hollywood uses for every eagle. Sharp vision, deadly dive, its aura screams predator. Number 2, harpy eagle. Massive claws stronger than a bear's grip. This bird can snatch a monkey right out of a tree. Aura, absolute sky ruler. Number 1, shoebill stork. Tall as a person with a death stare that can freeze your soul. Its giant beak crushes turtles and even baby crocs. Aura, pure intimidation. So there you have it, 5 birds with deadly aura. Which one do you think is the true king of the skies?